What is prediabetes? 10 best foods for prediabetes. Welcome to our YouTube video on prediabetes and the top 10 foods that can help you manage this condition. Prediabetes is a health condition characterized by elevated blood sugar levels that are not yet high enough to be diagnosed as type 2 diabetes. It is a crucial stage where intervention and lifestyle changes can prevent the onset of diabetes. In this video, we will explore the best foods you can incorporate into your diet to maintain stable blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. So let's dive in and discover the delicious and nutritious options that can support your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Non-starchy vegetables. Including vegetables like spinach, broccoli, kale, peppers, and cauliflower in your diet is highly beneficial for managing prediabetes. These vegetables are not only low in calories, making them an excellent choice for weight management, but they are also rich in fiber. The high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Additionally, these vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which contribute to overall health and well-being. Incorporating a variety of these vegetables into your meals can provide you with a nutrient-dense and diabetes-friendly diet. 2. Whole grains. Opting for whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and oatmeal is a wise choice for individuals with prediabetes. These whole grains are rich in fiber, which offers numerous benefits for blood sugar regulation. Fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, whole grains have a lower glycemic index compared to refined grains, meaning they cause a more gradual and steady rise in blood sugar after consumption. 3. Legumes. Foods like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are highly beneficial for individuals with prediabetes due to their nutritional composition. These legumes are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. The combination of protein and fiber helps slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels and promoting a more balanced release of glucose into the bloodstream. This stabilization of blood sugar levels is crucial for managing prediabetes. Furthermore, the fiber content in legumes contributes to improved insulin sensitivity, as it supports better blood sugar control and reduces insulin resistance. 4. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are highly beneficial for individuals with prediabetes due to their impressive nutritional profile. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Moreover, berries are packed with fiber, which plays a vital role in managing blood sugar levels. The fiber content in berries slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, resulting in a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream and preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar. 5. Fatty fish. Incorporating fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines into the diet is highly beneficial for individuals with prediabetes due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids have been extensively studied for their positive effects on health, particularly in reducing the risk of diabetes. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is essential for the proper regulation of blood sugar levels. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, omega-3 fatty acids help cells efficiently absorb glucose from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of elevated blood sugar levels. 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent choices for individuals with prediabetes due to their nutritional composition. These nuts and seeds are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which play a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. The healthy fats in almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds help slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Additionally, the fiber content in these foods further aids in blood sugar regulation by promoting a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a highly beneficial option for individuals with prediabetes due to its protein and calcium content, as well as its lower carbohydrate content compared to regular yogurt. Greek yogurt is known for its higher protein content, which helps promote satiety, stabilize blood sugar levels, and support muscle health. Additionally, the calcium in Greek yogurt is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt typically has a lower carbohydrate content, making it a favorable choice for individuals managing their blood sugar. Choosing plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt allows for better control of added sugars. 8. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that offers several potential benefits for individuals with prediabetes. Research has shown that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, meaning it helps cells in the body respond more effectively to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, cinnamon can aid in better blood sugar control and prevent spikes in glucose levels. 9. Green tea. Green tea is a beneficial beverage for individuals with prediabetes due to its antioxidant content and potential impact on insulin sensitivity. Green tea is rich in polyphenol antioxidants, such as epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which have been shown to have numerous health benefits. These antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Moreover, research suggests that green tea may improve insulin sensitivity, making cells more responsive to insulin and enhancing blood sugar control. 10. Healthy fats. Including healthy fats in moderation, such as avocados, olive oil, and nuts, is important for individuals with prediabetes. These fats offer multiple benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity and heart health promotion. Healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in avocados, olive oil, and nuts, have been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to more effectively utilize glucose. This can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. Moreover, these fats contribute to heart health by increasing levels of HDL, good cholesterol, reducing LDL, bad cholesterol, and decreasing inflammation in the body. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.